Hello, Andrew. I wanted to give you an update on your beautiful cube I'm working on here. So I've got this really, pristine case for you. And I've got it all torn down currently. I went through, cleaned out all the dust. There's the screen, your 983 power supply. The feet, I polished those up, cleaned up, even got the back plane out. And I just got back the Turbo Cube board. It's got the new ceramic capacitors everywhere, as well as the dimension board, and it's got the new ceramic caps. A really nice back for you. And the micro SD and a new floppy drive, and then the CD-ROM drive. So, gonna reassemble, test everything. I've got the software all loaded up, and I will send a follow-up video when I'm ready to ship. Should be in the next day or two. Appreciate your business and patience. Have a great day. Man, this cube case is in excellent condition. There's only maybe one or two little nicks on the whole thing. Other than that, it's pristine. It's got a really nice logo. I think you're really going to love it. Have a good one.